Hello guys, welcome to fourth video of this section, RxJava Testing. Previously, we have implemented the Rx design in our presenter sample code, which we have developed in section 2, video 5. In this video, our focus will be writing some unit test cases to our presenter logic after implementing the Rx design, and we'll analyze whether it's working as expected. To write unit test cases, we will continue with the same project which we have developed in the last video. So let's start with our coding. This is our sample project which we have developed in last video. Before starting with implementation of unit test cases, let's improve our coding, remove all boilerplate codes, and also add error handling in RxJava. So we can do all these 5 to 10 line codes into 2 to 3 line code. So let's learn how. So what you need to do here, project listing model dot get observable dot subscribe, and in subscribe I can call it list. There you go. Now move this line before this function because we are getting this list here and need to define it before assigning this value to the model. So data dot set value and list. That's all. We can do all this work within one line, within these two lines. To add error handling after functions, comma, write throwable, and in this bracket call any function handle Rx exception and pass this function throwable and create function. There you go. If face any exception or any error, it will directly call this function. So that's how we can handle error in RxJava. And for testing in this video, we will be testing our project listing model because this is our core class which contain all main logic of our data which shown onto the screen. So just click on the class name and enter Ctrl+Shift+T, create new, check both the functions and before setup. Okay, any package will work, done. This is your basic class for testing. So let's just create instance of our project listing model class, project listing model, and initialize it before our test start. So we are initializing it in our before. There you go. Start with our is network available. To test it, we need a boolean variable, boolean check, and in this function we will call project listing model dot is network available dot subscribe, and subscribe call check. This dot check is equal to check, and to verify write assert true check. This function will pass if check is always true, and it should return true because is network is always returning true. Next test for our project listing observable. How to test our observable? There are many ways, but I'm going for the easiest approach for your understanding. List, let's create a list of the project module, project model list, and in this function project model listing dot get observable dot subscribe project model list. This dot project model list is equal to project model list, and assert not null project model list. And this use case will work and it will be fine if our project model is null, and it shouldn't be null because we are hard coding this value with 5 count and it should contain 5 iteration every time. So after writing it, go to project listing and right click and run. It's building Gradle, And after building greater events start, now it started testing and both of our test cases passed. So I can't promise right unit test cases will always be easy, but it's gonna be worth it. It will give you before error will happen. So it's gonna be worth it. Keep testing and keep improving. Our next topic is going to be repeating the process for our project details screen. Until then, stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.